Alright, so we just went to Krispy Kreme, and what did we get? Ah, there you go. We got 4 maple bars, 2 original glazed because Max likes those.
Yeah.
2 of the cake batter, 2 of the Oreos, and 2 of the dark chocolate filled. I think that's what they're called. So there you go. That's awesome. Grab the milk. We need milk.
Of course you do.
Of course I need milk.
See how I said you do?
Anyway. And we got the milk.
You want a cup?
Yes, please. You want some milk, Alicia?
Just have a cup or?
Oh, that's too big. Just give me one of the top ones up there.
Up here?
Yeah, one of those. You want some milk, Alicia? Alicia wants one too. Mia!
She's literally right there.
Where? Oh, I thought you were in the bedroom. Mia's asleep. Cool, we don't have to share donuts with her. Alright, so we're going to serve up this milk.
Mia doesn't like donuts.
She doesn't like donuts, more for us.
Yeah. Milk. Okay. Ow, just stepping on the chart. Okay, I'm gonna. I've never tried donuts with milk before.
Alright, Max wants milk. And now Mia wants milk too.
I just don't know.
Okay.
Did you get regular, guys?
Yes.
I'll have one then. This is mine.
Alright, so we need one more. We're having Alicia's party on Sunday.
Yep.
So we need one more.
I've never had
Move.
donuts with milk.
It's disgusting.
Plus, I've never really had milk. Well, it's gonna
That
spill.
smells bad.
What smells bad? No, I don't. Ready? Choose your donut. I knew Alicia wanted the cake batter one. How about you, Mia? I'm gonna have the other cake batter.
Oh.
You like original?
Yeah, but I don't like it.
Sorry, cake batter is mine.
I don't care.
It doesn't even fit.
Who cares?
I didn't know you were gonna dip it.
That's what I do.
I usually just bite and sip.
Mm.
Here, let me splash a little. Mine does. Mine doesn't. Mine's fat.
Just like me.
I'm gonna say just like you.
That
How's my
tastes so
face? How's my face?
Just a little
It's
bit.
good.
A lot.
All right, so napkin.
I guess it's good.
What do you think? What do you think of Krispy Kreme? Delicious. Yeah, it's okay. How about you? She loves it.
Donuts are
This
okay.
cake batter is awesome.
The reason I love Krispy Kreme donuts is because I first tried Krispy Kreme in 6th grade because because our school does a thing where they sell on the first or last month. It honestly depends. On the first or last day of the month, on the last day of Wednesday, they sell donuts for $1.
Cool.
Just the place. So.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna enjoy our donuts and have a nice, healthy snack.